Bon dia, good morning. Avui farem un concurs. You have all been given a piece of paper, and a pen. It's very simple. Whoever writes the lowest number that nobody else has written will win this bottle of wine. It has to be a positive number. 0 is not considered to be a positive number. And it has to be an integer, no decimal places, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, the so-called natural numbers. Everyone has already written their number. As you can see, a bottle of wine is on the line. Let's see what you have written down.
3,
8, 7,
5,
11,
4,
6,
4.
8.
3, 1.
What's your name?
Tamara.
The winner! Incredible! The only one that has written the 1. How old are you?
20.
So you are the youngest? Okay! This bottle is for you! The youngest contestant has been the cleverest one. Congratulations! Alright guys, subscribe to the channel!